what's in the box. And it's my favorite kind of box too. Every once in a while I get to treat myself. I know what's in it. I know it's not all for me either. Some of it's for the wife. Oh, I'm excited. We've got paper. And for the wife we got cat scat. Little spiky strips to stop the feral cats from pooping in our gardens. 2 of them. Item number 1. A Veritas 9 3/4 inch planing stop. I decided to go all modern with my, and fancy with my planing stop. Don't worry, I'm not going to put a cut in the bench. It's heavy metal. So I'll put a post in. Is there a flat spot? Oh, it's spring loaded. Little posties here got a spring in them. And that one, and that'll go into 2 dog holes in the bench and will be my planing stop. Item number 2, Veritas brass bench dogs. I told you I was getting all fancy. Well, I'm spoiling myself. I was going to use just chunks of wood, but how nice is that? Slightly angled face, spring clip to hold it in spot, and I got 2 of them. Now, is that pretty or what? How well does that angle show up? Yeah, you can see the slight angle on it. Sticks out a little bit farther at the top than at the bottom. And item number 3, a Veritas Wonder Dog. I got this because I decided I was not going to have a tail vise. So, in lieu of a tail vise, that also fits into 3/4 inch hole, into a dog hole. And in conjunction with a bench dog, another nice fancy little piece of nice and brass and black. That's what was in the box. How pretty is that? Now I get to drill holes in the bench.